Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from QuickBooks Online to your business checking account step by step clearly.
Log in to your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the left-hand side menu. Click on the Accounting tab. Select the Chart of Accounts option. Find the account labeled Business Checking Account. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the Account History button. Choose View Register from the options. In the Register window, click on Add Transaction. Select Withdraw from the transaction type options. Enter the date of the withdrawal. In the description field, briefly explain the transaction. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw in the Amount field. Select Transfer in the Category section. Choose the appropriate bank account for the transfer. Check all the entered details for accuracy. Confirm the transaction by clicking Save and Close. This will deduct the amount from your QuickBooks balance. Your business checking account will now reflect the withdrawal. Ensure you reconcile this transaction during your next financial review. Keep records of the transaction for future reference. Repeat these steps as needed for additional withdrawals. Consider updating your budget to reflect any changes. You're now set to manage your business finances effectively.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.